Hello guys, let's solve easily confused words, and today we're gonna have all versus whole. These two words have somewhat similar meaning. We use them whenever we want to refer to total number or complete set of things. As they have somewhat similar meaning, as a result, they are frequently mistaken for each other. Thereby, most of the students find them quite confusing. Okay, but no worries, let's dispel the doubts in this video. Okay, firstly we need to use all and whole in the situation whenever they have similar meanings. Okay, let's take some examples. All the team had conflicts with each other. Okay, the whole team had conflicts with each other. Here, all and whole have similar meaning. Okay, let's take one more example. I spent all day in the shopping mall. I spent the whole day in the shopping mall. Okay, again here whole and all have similar meaning. Here comes the tip. Whenever you want to use whole, always try to use the before the whole. Okay, and whenever you want to use all, try to avoid using a and the before all. Okay, let's move on to the next point. Whenever you want to use any noun or any item which can be split up, you can use either all or the whole. Okay, let's take a few examples. You are required to make all of the payment at once. You are required to make the whole of the payment at once. So here we use all of the and the whole of the. Okay, these two words can be used in this way also, all of the and the whole of the. Okay, but they have similar meaning. Okay, let's take one more example. She ate all of the apple. She ate the whole of the apple. Okay, so again here the all of the and the whole of the have similar meaning. We use these two words with the nouns which can be split up or divided, such as payment or apple. So whenever you have any item or a noun which can be split up, you can use all of the or the whole of the. Okay, either one. Okay, let's move on to the next point. Whenever you want to use uncountable noun, try to use all the with the uncountable nouns. Okay, let's take a few examples. I put all the energy in that work. Okay, so here we use all the with the uncountable noun energy. Okay, I gave her all the advice she needed. Okay, here we use advice, which is uncountable noun, and we use it with all the. Okay, we use all the before. We use all the before uncountable nouns. Okay, let's move on to the next point. Whenever you want to use plural nouns, in that case, we most of the time use all the, okay, the plural nouns. Let's take a few examples. All the cricketers enter the ground. Okay, here we use all the cricketers. Cricketers, plural noun. Okay, cricketers is a plural noun. And let's take one more example. Let's open all the windows of a car. Okay, let's open all the windows of the car. Here we use the plural noun window. Okay, and we use all the windows. Okay, in the plural form. So keep in mind, whenever you want to use plural noun, try to use all the instead of using whole, such as whole the window, whole of the window, whole of the cricketer. That would be wrong. Okay. But sometimes you can see whole of the with the plural nouns, such as whole of the families or all of the families. So in that case, the sense is changed. Whenever we refer to whole of the families, here means entire families. But whenever we say all of the families, it means we are talking about each and every family. But when we say whole of the family, it means entire families, including every every family members. Okay, and there is one more point. Whenever you want to emphasize the duration or time period, in that case we often use whole of the, okay, such as, for example, I spent the whole of the summer in Austria. I spent the whole of the spring in Canada. Okay, so here we use whole of the with duration or time period such as seasons. Okay, so you can use whole of the with time periods. Okay, so I hope you understand these differences between these two words and try to use these two words accordingly. So if you want to become proficient English user, or you want to reach 8 or 9 band score in IELTS, keep watching my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button to be notified for much needed life-changing English boosting videos. Thank you.